Good morning, children. How are all of you? I hope you're all safe and still staying at home. Did you enjoy your holidays? Well, I missed all of you very much. I hope you missed me too. So, let's continue our academic session with grammar. The topic that we are going to learn is pronouns. In this topic, we are going to learn the definition of pronouns, kinds of pronouns, that is, personal pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, reflexive pronouns, emphasizing pronouns, possessive pronouns, and relative pronouns. You remember what nouns are, right? Nouns are names of persons, places, animals, and things. Pronouns are words used in place of nouns. Pronouns are often used to avoid the repetition of nouns in a sentence or a paragraph. Take a look at these examples. The first one. Akash is a tall boy. Akash is 12 years old. Akash is in the 7th class. Instead of repeating the name Akash, we can say Akash is a tall boy. He is 12 years old. He is in the 7th class. Here, he is the pronoun used for Akash. The next example. Leela lives in Friends Colony. Leela is a student. Leela's mother is a nurse. Instead of repeating the name Leela, we can say Leela lives in Friends Colony. She is a student. Her mother is a nurse. Here, she and her are the pronouns used for Leela. Now, let's have a look at the kinds of pronouns. They are personal pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, reflexive pronouns, emphasizing pronouns, possessive pronouns, and relative pronouns. The first one that we are going to discuss is personal pronouns. Some words are given in this picture. Let's read them. We, I, she, he, you, it. What do these words tell us? They are referring to the people in the picture, right? A pronoun that stands for a person or a thing is called a personal pronoun. I, we, you, he, his, she, her, it, they, and them are personal pronouns. The three forms of persons in personal pronouns are: first person, that is, the person or persons speaking. Next, second person, that is, the person or persons spoken to. Next, third person, that is, the person or persons spoken about. Take a look at this table. The first person, that is, the person speaking, singular personal pronouns are I, me, and mine. First person plural personal pronouns are we, us, and ours. These are used for both masculine and feminine gender. Next, the second person, that is, the person spoken to, singular personal pronouns are you and yours. Second person plural personal pronouns are you and yours. These are used for both masculine and feminine gender. Next, third person, that is, the person spoken about, singular personal pronouns are he, him, his, she, her, hers, and it. Third person plural personal pronouns are they, them, and theirs. These are used for masculine, feminine, and neuter gender. Let's understand this with an example. I want to talk to you about Dilip. Here, I want to talk. So, I am the first person. I want to talk to you. So, you are the second person. I want to talk about Dilip. So, Dilip is the third person. I hope this was simple enough to understand. The next is antecedent. An antecedent is a noun or a pronoun to which another noun or pronoun refers. It usually goes before the pronoun. A pronoun must agree with its antecedent in its number and gender. Let's understand this with some examples. The first example: you should talk to Meera. She needs your help. Here, the pronoun she refers to Meera. So, Meera is the antecedent of the pronoun she. Both Meera and she are singular in number and of feminine gender. Let's go to the next example. You should talk to these boys. They need your help. Here, the pronoun they refers to these boys. So, these boys is the antecedent of the pronoun they. Both these boys and they are plural in number and of masculine gender. Remember, I, you, he, she, it, and they act as the subject of a verb. Me, you, him, her, it, and them act as the object of a verb. You and it can act as the subject and the object of a verb. Let's do some examples to understand this better. I believe him. Here, I is the subject and him is the object. Next, you did not attend the meeting. Here, you is the subject. Next, everybody missed you. Here, you is the object. Next, the personal pronoun it is used to refer to an animal or a thing. It is often used as an empty or a meaningless subject with expressions that refer to time, weather, temperature, or distance. Look at the example given here. The fox is a wild animal. It is very cunning. Here, it refers to the fox. Another example. It is 8 o'clock. Here, it refers to the time. I hope this was simple enough to understand. Now, let's take a look at some practice exercises. In the first exercise, you have to rewrite the passage using the correct pronoun. Let's read the passage. Deepak and Vineet are neighbors. Deepak and Vineet belong to Darjeeling. Deepak and Vineet are both 7 years old. Deepak and Vineet stay in Delhi. Deepak and Vineet study in a boarding school. Here, the names Deepak and Vineet are repeated. You have to replace them with the correct pronoun. Now, let's go to the next exercise. In this exercise, you have to fill in the blanks with suitable personal pronouns. The solutions for these exercises will be provided in our next session. That's all for today, children. Thank you and have a great day.